I'm here now with Deb Scott, who is the director of the International Trombone Festival Composers Workshop. Thank you for joining me. Can you tell me what the Composers Workshop is all about?
Well, the workshop is an important mission of the International Trombone Festival. We have a call for scores, and we select pieces that are performed at the festival, and we bring new music for the trombone. Since the trombone doesn't have very much literature to choose from, we're hoping to expand that repertoire, and it's been really exciting because in previous years we've had a lot of pieces selected that have caught on, solos, ensembles that are really contributing to our literature.
And it's getting bigger and bigger every year. Who
Yes.
can apply for the Composers Workshop?
Anyone can apply. We have a lot of composers apply, a lot of trombonists from all over the world, and we'd like to increase that to include more people from internationally.
So I was sort of wondering, is it trombone players wanting to learn how to compose for the trombone, or is it composers wanting to learn about... Yeah, is it for trombone players to learn to compose, or composers learning about the trombone, or both?
That's a good question because it is both. Currently, we have a lot of composers here that play trombone, but we have some that just want to write for trombone, and they specifically said that they feel like their music will get played because, you know, if you write for violin, then maybe it won't get played as much because they have a large repertoire. So it's interesting to both performers.
And performances happen here at the ITF of their music?
Yes. Once the pieces are selected, we have performances that are scheduled throughout the festival that highlight these pieces. And the composers are here working with the performers to help them bring their music to life.
That's amazing. And there's something going to be announced soon after the festival, is that right, about the publishing?
Yes. We do have approved from the ITA board a place on our website to list these compositions, and it's going to be called the Composers Workshop Catalog. And so pretty soon you'll be able to go to the website and click on a link, and it'll either let you purchase the composition or take you to a website where you can purchase it.
Amazing. So actually it's a great sort of, a place where composers or budding composers or trombonists that want to learn how to compose can start their composing career.
Exactly. And some of our composers have commissions that have been happening, you know, after they've heard the music that's been selected. So
that's amazing. I mean, there's so many trombone players I know that arrange, compose, orchestrate. So actually this could be an amazing place for them to come
Exactly. So if you want to throw, you know, your composition into the hat and see what happens, please do. Our call for scores should be coming out pretty soon after this festival.
Great, wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us, Deb.
Thank you, Carol.